Hello and welcome to the brief guide on understanding the best practices for using the SEOKart app to optimize your store for better traffic and orders. First, thank you for installing the SEOKart app. Let us guide you through using it to its full potential. When you open the app, it will show a dashboard with the overall SEO score of your store and several other SEO factors. Begin by navigating to the SEO Optimizer feature from the left-hand side panel. In every feature, you will find a tooltip button to help you understand how the feature works. Start by identifying your 25 best-selling products or categories and use the Optimize button to optimize them. The red crosses represent issues that need to be addressed to improve your store's rankings. The SEOKart app's AI Assist feature can provide assistance in generating meta tags and product descriptions. Once you have optimized your best-selling categories and products, you can proceed to optimize the remaining products. Next, address the 404 errors by visiting the 404 Fixer feature. It will display all the broken links on your website and their locations. To fix a broken link, either correct it in the SEO Optimizer or add a valid redirection URL in the input box and save your changes. After addressing the broken links, proceed to the one-click Rich Snippet feature. Activate the toggles for the snippets you need and fill out the details as necessary. You can also read the descriptions that are provided for better understanding. Again, refer to the How It Works tooltip if needed. After switching on the rich snippets, let's address the blank meta tags using the Bulk Optimizer feature. Simply select the predefined labels, save a template, and preview it before updating the blank meta tags of products and categories. The cruise control can be activated to automate this process for future pages on your store. Once you have completed the bulk optimization of products with blank meta tags, move on to the Image Optimizer. This feature will help you optimize the file name, alt text, and size of your store's product images. Go to the Settings icon and activate the toggles for the necessary settings. After selecting the labels you want to optimize, activate the cruise control to automatically optimize upcoming product images on your store. Save your settings and optimize the images using the Optimize button provided for each image. After following all these steps, remember to track your rankings using the Rank Tracker feature. This will help you monitor keyword ranking for your store. By following these steps, you can easily optimize your store, improve rankings, and increase orders.